Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $84,000 right now, 84,200. And last time when we covered Bitcoin, I told you that I have a target of $85,000 for it to go and hit. It went up to $86,000. And right now it plummeted down towards 83. But we don't care about any of that. At that time, we were sitting at $79,000. And I didn't make videos on Saturday. Generally, I take Saturdays off. So I'm talking about Friday. But at that time, I told you that I expect $79,000 to hold because that is the new line of support I have introduced. It is something that can help us in the current market based on the structures that Bitcoin has developed. We need to rely on it. And we saw a cup and handle structure as well, if you recall it. And the support for that I offered was again at $79,000. I offered this ugly cup and handle, which is as ugly as can be because of this middle shit that is in between that makes it ugly. But 79K was our support, and this thing had a neckline here, over here. This was the neckline area, which is at 82,500. But we don't care. I told you that we have 79, then we have 81,500. As long as these areas hold, I expect it to go up and deliver on this cup and handle structure as well. And it has done its full deliverance by going all the way up towards 86. Now, what do we expect here? Over here, one thing that we expect from it is that if we don't see it living above the area of $85,000 for more than 2 days, then we don't expect Bitcoin to be on a uptrend. And I'll show it to you on daily. What do I mean by that? So if you look at it, each candle is 1 day. This is $85,000. One candle with this body closed above it. The second one is struggling. Now there is time for the closing of the candle. It's 8 p.m. UTC. So we have 4 hours left. But in the next 4 hours, will it be able to go back up and conquer the 85K? Or not? That is a question. And at the same time, this kind of conquering with such kind of small ass bodies, it is horrible. Generally, conquering with a body bigger in size, like if you have this much body above $85,000, it would make more sense instead of just seeing the tip of the dick. This is not good. I think that the overall case scenario of Bitcoin is questionable at the moment for 90K. If we are not able to conquer $85,000, close 2 daily candles above it, it only indicates that Bitcoin is struggling and Bitcoin is going to go for a retest again. The retest is at 81,500 with the last support at $79,000. After that, we will be talking about $70,000. We wouldn't care about 74 anymore, because if it is going to crash, I don't think it will stop at 74. It will go down to 70K this time. And that's pretty much it. If it is able to conquer the 85K, the good news is that it will end up creating a double bottom structure, one bottom, second bottom, and then we can finally start talking about the 97,300, and that's Bitcoin for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.